People are making thousands of dollars on a daily basis, and some of them are actually making $50,000 a month and $27,000 a month using nothing but SKOOL.com. Furthermore, they're not teaching any special skills. In fact, these people are showing their hobbies and they're making that kind of money. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to earn your first $100 without any technical skills, without any special knowledge, using your hobby and SKOOL.com. So now the very first thing, what it is and why SKOOL.com and why it matters. Well, this is a brand new platform. It started a couple of years ago, year and a half. It's getting popular by the day. If I click my similar web extension here, we can see 28 million monthly visits. The searches for SKOOL.com have been up and up ever since 2023, and they're going up. How all of these people that I just showed you are making their money? They're using digital products. Some of them are even just using courses, their own courses, like mini courses and crash courses and blueprints, to earn that kind of money. In fact, I have my own communities in school, and I'm going to show it to you. We're making about $12,000 a month. It's right here. This is my own community. We're at 12,000 monthly recurring revenue. So everything is doable. And keep in mind, we started with zero. I started with 0 members and 0 money in monthly recurring revenue. So I'm going to walk you through how you can achieve the same, how you can get to a $12,000 a month in school money. If you have a hobby, if you have an interest, whatever that might be, you can make money on school. Let's pick one of your hobbies. So let's say you're a musician, okay? Let's say you're into music. Now, my community is about affiliate marketing. If you go here, this is Profit Evangelist. I'm not promoting it. I'm just giving you as an example. This is affiliate marketing community. We're talking about marketing, copywriting, design, AI, and stuff like that, and approaches that help people to make money with affiliate marketing in affiliate commissions. Coming next is SKOOL. This is very important to remember. SKOOL is a self-promoting platform. What I mean by that is a lot of YouTubers are promoting SKOOL. Naturally, when YouTubers start talking about specific topic, it gets popular. So more and more other people will discover SKOOL, which means you're going to have more and more people to discover your SKOOL page. How to turn your skill into a community or course for fast payments. Now, here is the curriculum for today's video. Step 1, I'm going to show you how to create your valuable community or course or digital product that you're going to be selling. Step 2, we're going to see how to offer a mini course to your audience. Step 3, and even if you don't have an audience, I'm going to show you how you can generate one. Step 3 is how to promote and engage again with your audience. Open SKOOL.com and register for free. You can click this button at the top right corner, login, and if you don't have an account, click sign up for free. And it's very simple. You leave your name, first name, last name, email, password, and click sign up. After that, you're going to be logged into your profile, and from here you're going to click these drop downs, create a community. Click that, and this is it. As you can see right here, you even get inspiration from SKOOL. Join a movement of 172,000 passionate people earning $1 billion per year building communities. So we can see this community, calligraphy school, $6,000 a month. Let's see the other one. This one is making $32,000 a month. Another one, $9,000 a month. Dating. Hit this button, create your community, click try for free. You have 14 days to try SKOOL free. And in these 14 days, you're going to create a community, you're going to create a mini course, and you're going to price it at $9 or even $10. Now, for 2 weeks, like, there are no doubts you can find at least one person to pay you $9. So if you just find one person to pay you the $9, you have SKOOL for free. Click sign up, create your account, and that's pretty much it. I've created one that is right here, Profit Evangelist Elite. It's a brand new community. This is how it looks like, okay? You can create free communities, but also SKOOL.com promotes itself because it has a discovery engine. If you click these arrows, you can click discover communities, and other people can actually find your community naturally. Type in keywords. Let's say you're a musician, like I said, for music, guitar playing, piano playing lessons, etc. People can discover you that way. Now, before you put any content here on your newly created page, the very first thing is to start collecting money. That's the purpose of you creating the SKOOL community, right? So from here, click settings, and this is your dashboard. And now go over to pricing. You want to create a premium, or not premium, but like a subscription-based community. So click subscription, and in here, set your price, and you can start with as low as you want, $1, but I recommend start with $9 or $10. That's it. So I'm gonna click set. Of course, you can go with monthly or annually. So if the monthly is $10, the annual should be lower. So 12 months times $10, that's $120. So the annual subscription, you can give it away for $80. And automatically SKOOL gives a 33% discount. So that's good. So $10 and $80. I'm gonna hit save or set. And this, my friends, is how you now can start collecting money. Obviously, you have to attach your bank account, so SKOOL can start wiring you money to your bank account, and you can do this with this tab payouts. So click payouts, click this gear icon to set up your payouts, select your country, follow the process, connect your bank account. This is step one. Usually I have here to set up around a well-known topic such as gaming or fitness. In this case, I gave you music if you're a musician, but again, think about your hobby, whatever hobby you have, mountain biking, surfing, snowboarding, skiing. Now it's winter season, so maybe you're a skier. We're coming to this. Get 10 members because 10 members is $100 a month. If you get 10 people to sign up for your SKOOL community, you're going to have $100 on monthly recurring revenue. This actually, let's say we're in the music industry. Like I said, we're creating a music community. You're a musician, so I'm going to say piano lessons for beginners. You have to click again settings, and in the general, this is your general, create an icon. Ask ChatGPT to create you an icon and a cover picture, and then change your name. Here is the group name. I have Profit Avengers Elite, but again, you're going to be like piano lessons by Jake. Okay, there we go. That's it. That's your community. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we're coming at step number 2, and this is to create a mini course about your piano lessons. So to do that, go over your tabs here at your community and click classroom, because even though it's a community, even though people will pay $10 to hang out with you on a monthly basis, you need at least one course or a simple mini course about 10 tips for beginners. So here you click new course and you can set up your course, let's say 10 piano lessons, and they can be 1 minute long, 1-2 minutes long, no more than that. So 10 piano lessons, each 1 or 2 minutes, that's 20 minutes mini course. Upload a cover picture. Again, you can use ChatGPT to do so. I'm going to ask it by voice. I'm going to dictate the following. Can you please create me a cover picture for SKOOL.com? This is SKOOL.com community for one of my piano lesson courses. The course is a mini course about 10 tips for piano lessons for beginners. This is too confusing, guys. I know, but like, let's see. This is, and it should create a image. So create image right here. Boom. Hit enter. Now here I have priced it at $25 to $50. Give it away for free, the first mini course with your subscription. A second mini course, if you create, or like a long course advanced, then you can price it at $25 to $50. But the first one, I actually have to do it like this. Give away for free your first course. There we go. And then the second one, second course, you can price it so you have an upsell. This is called an upsell. So first, people join your community for $10 and they receive a free course. But then once they're inside your community, you can upsell them to your second course at $25 to $50. I'm going to show you a live example. So in my community, Profit Avengers, people can come in and they go to the classroom and they have all of these courses. They first get access to Profit Avengers Blueprint, they get access to our live call recordings, and then we also have ClickBank Advanced Profits course. These are all unlocked, but we have other courses that are not unlocked. These are courses that will either unlock on the third month or on the second month, or people can pay one-time fee to unlock these courses. So naturally, this is what I recommend. This is inside upsell inside your community. And then this is important. Identify a skill others want to learn from you. How do you identify it? Well, by simply talking with people in your community. This is our next step. Write a welcome post. You can see my welcome post right here in my community. Start here. So if you go here, this is in Profit Avengers. If you click, and I have pinned that, it's pinned to the wall. You click that and you can see this is a community. what it is, what to expect, etc. Again, you can ask ChatGPT to help you out crafting this message. And here I say, but first, let's get to know each other. Comment this below. Your name, do you have any CPA, lead, or affiliate marketing experience? What's your current occupation? And how do you find our private community? Let's connect in the comments. So it's a very friendly reminder to get to know people and to start interacting with us. Coming back to the actual course that I asked ChatGPT to create me a cover picture. So let's see. I really like it. So let's save this image. Mini course, desktop. Perfect. Let's come back here. I'm going to hit upload. And where is it? There we go. This is it. Hit save. And just like these guys, you already have your first piano lessons course. Look at this. Looking pretty cool. 10 piano lessons for beginners or whatever. Now, finally, we're coming to step number 3, how to promote your Skool community, how to get even more and more users. The very first thing what you need to do is go over to your community here tab and then click settings. And then you have this tab right here that says invite. And now copy this link. This is an invite link to your group. Click copy and start sharing it with your friends. Furthermore, share it on your social medias. Share it on your Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Share it with your, like I said, friends and families. Right now, TikTok and Instagram and even YouTube are prioritizing new accounts. For example, I'm showing you here one of my TikTok accounts. I started it a couple of months ago. I neglected it, but I got some views here, okay? I've got a lot of views, and I'm going to show you another one, by the way. I have some videos that are AI generated that have 70,000 views, 23,000 views, 100,000 views on a newly created TikTok account. I have 94,000 views, 61,000 views. And as you can see, guys, I'm not even showing my face. These are AI generated. I used Sora from ChatGPT. I used Sora to create a YouTube channel from scratch. Don't even show your face. Just show your pianos. Just point your camera to your hands on the keyboard and just show how you play the piano. Maybe have a microphone, a little one, and explain what keys are you pressing, etc. I don't know. I'm not familiar with piano lessons, but that's how it goes. It's very important to engage daily with your community members. Answer questions, post daily, give tips daily, be active in the community. You're going to get hooked. I'm pretty sure once you see your first customer, trust me, once you see your first customer that is paying you 10 bucks a month, you're going to get so hooked that you're going to start walking in every single day for a couple of hours and improving your Skool community. And you're going to learn gradually with time what works best for your own community and how you can attract more customers. Now, something else you can do, and this is what I actually started doing after a couple of months of promoting my Skool community through YouTube channels, TikTok accounts, and even email marketing, I started running Facebook ads. I can show you right here one of my Facebook ad accounts. And in the last 30 days, we've spent $6,000, okay? And we have 8,000 in revenue, but that's just the newly acquired customers. Here are some quick tip bonuses for your community. Offer a one-on-one mentorship or coaching session on your Skool community for 50 bucks, $100, or even $200. And then identify a person you could coach on Skool. The one that is talking to you the most, let's say someone is commenting a lot below each and every of your posts. This is a person that probably is looking for coaching. So you can actually reach out to them, DM them, and ask them, hey, do you need some help? Do you need some personal coaching? If you're thinking about or considering starting a Skool community, comment with the word Skool in the comment section. I want to see how many of you are actually thinking about starting this lucrative business endeavor. And if you want to see, besides my Skool community, how I make money with other cash streams using AI and digital products, watch the video in the top left or right corner where I walk you through how I create these digital products